Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna share with you my very simple and yummy sweet and sour chicken. So I have these 500 grams of chicken breast and I slice it into thin bite size and I season it with soy sauce, pepper, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour, and I mix it well and set aside for 10 minutes. So now let's start frying. In a hot pan with oil, we're gonna start putting our chicken, but we make sure that we don't overcrowd our oil so that we can fry the chicken fast and crispy. And once you can see our chicken become whitish in color, we have to stir them so that we don't want to burn the other side of the chicken. And we just fry this until it becomes light brown in color. So now as you can see guys, it's already light brown in color. So we're gonna dish out this and continue frying the rest of the chicken. And we're gonna transfer this into the kitchen towel to drain out the excess oil. And now we're gonna prepare our sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of Thai sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1.5 cup of water. I actually put the water in the bottle because I don't want to waste the remaining sauce. And now I'm gonna mix it well and set aside. And these are my ingredients. I have 2 cloves of garlic and I chop it. 1 onion, I cut it into a quarter. Half portion of green and red bell pepper. So now let's start cooking. In a pan, we have to put a little bit of oil and we saute our garlic and onion until it becomes aromatic. And once it becomes aromatic, we're gonna add in our bell peppers. And we continue stir frying it until it becomes partially cooked. And after that, we're gonna add in our sauce. Just give it a mix, and after that we have to add in our chicken. And we mix them well until the chicken will be fully covered with the sauce. And after that, we're gonna put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes or until the sauce becomes thicker. And now as you can see, the sauce is already thicker. That means our dish is ready to be served. We just give it a nice mix. We stir it nicely and we dish out the chicken into the plate. So as you can see guys, it's really mouth-watering and it's really yummy guys. It's very simple, straightforward, sweet and sour chicken, and it's really yummy. So this is it guys, my sweet and sour chicken, and I hope you like the video. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.